In this video, I'll show you 3 easy and free ways to translate any PDF into your language using Google Docs, Google Translate, and my favorite, ChatGPT. Let's get started. First up is Google Docs. Open your web browser and head over to drive.google.com. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one. Once in Google Drive, click on the New button, select File Upload, and choose the PDF document you want to translate. After uploading, click on Show File Location to locate your file. Then right-click on the file, choose Open With, and select Google Docs to convert the PDF into an editable document. You can run a spell check. Go to Tools, Spelling and Grammar checks on Windows or Command-Option-X on Mac, or use any other spell checker, but the main purpose is to translate the PDF. After checking the spelling, now time to translate it in any language. Click on Tools, then select Translate Document. A new window will appear where you need to enter new document title for the translated copy. Instead of keeping the default name, you can add the language you are translating into, such as French translation or Urdu translation. Next, scroll through the language list, select your desired language, and click Translate. Within seconds, Google Docs will generate a translated version of your document. If you are familiar with the translated language, review the document to ensure accuracy, as automated translations may have minor errors. Once you have reviewed the document, you can save it. Click on File, then Download, and choose PDF document or Microsoft Word format. Select the path where to save your translated document on your device, then click on the Save button. If you prefer, the document remains stored in Google Drive, and you can move it to any folder for better organization. If you just want a quick translation without editing, then Google Translate is your best friend. Go to translate.google.com. At the top, click on Documents. Click Browse your computer and upload the PDF file. Select the original language on the left and your target language on the right. Hit the Translate button. Google translates it immediately. 2 options will appear: Download Translation or Open Translation. If you click on Download Translation, select the path on your system and save it. If you click on Open Translation, Google will open the translation in a new tab. This method is super quick, but it doesn't preserve the formatting or structure of the original PDF. So it's better for reading purposes than for printing or sharing. Now here's the coolest method. Using ChatGPT, you can not only translate but also summarize, rephrase, or even ask questions about your PDF content. Open ChatGPT at chat.openai. Click on the plus sign. ChatGPT will give you options to upload your file. Click on Upload from Computer, or just copy the text from your PDF and paste it into the chat. Then type a command like, "Can you translate this text into Urdu?" Or, "Can you translate this text into French?" ChatGPT will translate it section by section, with better natural flow and tone than automated tools. You can even say things like, select the paragraph, paste the paragraph, and write, "Explain this technical paragraph in simple English." That's the power of ChatGPT. You can ask for a summarized version, or say, "Translate only this part," or even keep original and translated side by side. Super flexible. You can also say things like, "Rewrite this in a more formal or professional tone," perfect for emails, reports, and presentations. Or try, "Make this text more engaging," to improve storytelling and readability. Say, "Turn this into bullet points," to convert the content into an easy-to-read format. Use Generate a Summary with key takeaways to extract the most important points. More tech tips and tricks coming your way. I'll see you in the next video. Please like, subscribe, and comment.